red 30 days before it lapses. The med card, the annual inspection, the IFTA return, and the 2290 all come due in the same few weeks, and the dates are in the glove box. This file is one board. Type the issue date once. The board adds the cycle from the rule and counts down, amber at 60 days and red at 30. This is the truck maintenance and DOT expiry log from NicheToolkits. 9 tabs, and every screen here is the real file, recalculated before filming. It is late August, and one driver's medical card is 23 days from lapsing. So the file ships with a worked sample. Black Fork Transport, 2 tractors, 1 reefer trailer, 2 drivers, January through August 2026. Sample data, not a customer. Chapter 1. Start here. Start here is the method on one page. 3 steps. Type your trucks, drivers, and rules once. Type each date as it is issued, and log every service. The board does the counting. Chapter 2. Trucks, drivers, and rules once. Setup is who you are, the company, the IFTA number, your base state, and your 2 windows, 60 and 30 days. From the IFTA number, the file works out your MCS, 150 month. This one ends in 9, so September, and the second to last digit is even, so even years. Next update, September 30th, 2026. Then each unit, with its VIN, plate, and odometer today, and each driver. Unit 101 is a 2019 Freightliner at 612,450 miles. And the rules, 20 compliance items, each with its cycle and months, its lead time, and the regulation it comes from. The medical certificate is 24 months under 391.45. The annual inspection, 12 months under 396.17. Edit them if your state or your insurer says otherwise. Chapter 3. Every date, counted down. The expiry board is 1 row per document. Type the issue date and the board adds the cycle. M. Ortega's medical certificate, issued September 18th, 2024, expires September 18th, 2026. That is 23 days out, so it reads red, with a renew by date of August 19th. Where a document has no cycle, like a CDL or the 2290's stamped Schedule 1, you type the expiry straight off the card. The Form 2290 is due August 31st, 5 days out, the soonest red on the board. For red, for amber, 20 OK. Chapter 4. The year's filings, by rule. The filing calendar is the company's filings in the order they come due, dated by rule. The IFTA quarters, the 2290 on August 31st, the MCS, 150, IRP, UCR. Nothing to type, but the day you filed. Type it, and the row goes green. Added up, 7 filings still open this year, none past due, and the next one named. Chapter 5. Every service, what it cost. The maintenance log is 1 row per service, repair or roadside call, date, unit, odometer, the PM item from the drop-down, parts, labor, and the days the unit could not earn. The turbo actuator on 101 in May, $4,215 and 3 days down. Added up, $12,695 this year, for $1,889 of it preventive and $7,807 unplanned, 1 roadside call, and 10.5 days of downtime. Chapter 6. What is due next, by miles and by months. The PM schedule crosses every unit with every PM item, last done, from the log, next due by miles and by months, and which comes first. The DPF cleaning on 101 was last done at 352,000 miles, every 250,000, and the truck is at 612,450, 10,450 miles overdue. Nothing here is typed. 2 items overdue, 6 due soon, and the closest by miles named at the bottom. Chapter 7. From found to fixed. DVIR and defects is 1 row per driver write-up. The defect, whether it is safety critical, whether the unit was out of service, and the day it was repaired. 6 write-ups this year, 1 still open, a marker light, and 3 out-of-service events. Chapter 8. What turns red next? The dashboard is 1 screen, 4 red or expired on the board, for amber, 2 PM items overdue, and the sentence that names what turns red next. the 2,290, 5 days out. Then the next 10 dates on the board. Below it, the fleet's cost per mile this year, $12,695 over 116,870 miles, is $0.109, with 10.5 days of downtime. Then the same by unit. Chapter 9. 12 months per unit. Year view is 12 rows. Spend, preventive against unplanned, downtime, roadside calls, defects and out-of-service events, per month and per unit. Under the hood, 3,992 formulas. Before filming, the file was recalculated clean in LibreOffice, and every figure was recomputed independently. 738 checks, 0 failures. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple numbers. Portable formulas, no macros. And plainly, this is a record-keeping tool, not legal or compliance advice. The regulations are cited so you can check them. The rule is the rule, not the spreadsheet. The truck maintenance and DOT expiry log is $12.97, one time, in 4 color editions, with free updates. The link is in the description. Type the dates once, log the services, and read the colors.